Good morning students. Here you can see this video lecture. It is related with how to modify or update a record inside the binary file. It is under the binary file processing. It is under the binary file operations topic, and you may get one question, 4-mark question related to the same topic in the annual CBSE question paper. Right here. So just see, this is our topic. Now the very first thing, if you want to make any updation in the file, make any modification in the same file, it means what? It means you have to open the file in read as well as write mode. Right? Very first you have to read the file data, then you have to select the specific record in which you want to make any change, and then rewrite the record on the same position in the binary file. This is our process, students. And here, for opening a binary file in read as well as write mode, here our mode is changed. Previously we worked with the read mode, we worked with the write mode. Now in this topic we work with RB plus mode. Just see, it is the file mode here. RB plus means read and write in a binary file. By this mode you can read the file as well as you can write the data inside the same file. Right? So here, what is our concept? Just check it out. What is the concept here? Suppose abc.dat file, it is created inside the hard disk already, and this file contains some records of students. Right? Here the records are there in the list format, and then just see the list 21 here. The list is a combination of 3 different data elements. First element is the roll number of the student, second is the name of the student, and the third one, it is percentage. It should be there in the question paper. Do not get confused here. In the question paper, each and every instruction is clear. Right? What is the list? What are the data elements inside the list? It is there in the question paper. Right? So here, just see, it is abc.dat file. Right? Now, when I open this file by using pp equal to open abc.dat rb plus, right? pp is a file variable and the file is shifted inside the memory in this pp file handle, right? Once again I am telling you, you cannot work directly on the file that is there inside your hard disk. You have to take a copy of your file from hard disk to RAM, and then your Python operations are related with the file handle, the file variable that is there inside your computer's memory. Clear? So here pp is a file variable. It is created inside your computer's memory just like this one. It is pp, and here this is the file. When you execute this command pp equal to open abc means what? The data that is there in the abc file, it is uploaded inside your pp variable. Right? The pp variable also looks like the same only. Done. So instead of creating one more diagram here, I am just removing this file name and putting pp over here. Right? It is my file handle inside the memory. So by this command, file is loaded in the file handle, and just see here file contains records in the format of list. So I just created one blank list variable. Now you have to see, when you open the file, either in the read mode or in the write mode or in the read plus write mode, the cursor, the file pointer, it should be here at the very beginning of the first record, of the first object. It is known as 0th position, right? Your file pointer is here at the beginning, and this is the 0th position. If you want to move the cursor, you use seek command, you use seek function that is available with this pickle module, right? Seek bracket, and then inside the bracket if you put 50 means what? Just see pp dot seek bracket 50, it means what? Your file pointer is going to shift on the 50th position in your file handle, right? So you can move the file pointer by using seek option. If you want to know what is the current file pointer position, then tell function is there, pp.tell bracket. By this function you just judge the position of the file pointer, right? So here in this modification and updation we require three different things. The very first, file mode, it should be rb plus. The second, seek. With the help of seek we can move the file pointer from one position to another position inside the file handle. And the tell function tells us that which is the current file position, where is the current file pointer, right? So here just see, now one REC variable is created, and if you want to see the variable it looks like this inside the memory. Done. Now in this example I am going to read one object only from the file. केवल मैं एक ही ऑब्जेक्ट रीड कर रहा हूं ताकि आप अच्छे से समझ सको. सो हियर मैंने इन दिस प्रोग्राम I am not using loop, right? If I want to access all the records of the file, then it is necessary to use loop. Either we can use while loop or we can use for loop. Right here, I am going to read only one object so that you can easily understand the concept. So for reading one object, my command is this one. Just see the command rec equal to pickle.load pp. Right? No while loop means what? The cursor is at here. When you open the file, the cursor is at here at the 0th position. Now, when you read the file by using this load function, pickle.load pp, what will happen? Your computer is going to read the first object of your file. अब read कैसे करता है? While reading, this cursor is moving from one point to another point, and when the cursor is there at the last of the record, the whole data is shifted inside the REC variable like this. REC is a different variable, PP is a different variable. Means while reading the object, your cursor moves from the beginning of the object to the end of the object, right? Ending means what? Ending means the starting of the second object, because all the objects are continuously written in the file. First object, just after that second object, then third object. Means what? If your cursor is there at the last of the first object, it means it is there at the beginning of the second object, right? So while reading the object, your cursor is moving from one position to another position, and your cursor is there at the last of the record, right? So now when your cursor reaches at the end of the object, at the end of the record, the data is shifted from the file handle to REC object here, REC object, right? So the data is here 21, RAJ 87.9, right? No loop is there, it means what? Computer can read the first object only, right? So the object is here. Now if I want to make any change, my topic is modification or updation only. So if I want to make any change in the record, मैं कहाँ काम करूँगा? My work is related with this particular variable, not here, not the file handle. मेरे को जो भी change करना है, I have to make changes over here only in this particular record, right? So suppose करते हैं, right now मुझे first record की जो student की percentage है, I want to increase the percentage of the student by 3% मार्क्स उसके इंक्रीज करना है. राइट नाउ 87.9, तो मैं क्या कमांड दे रहा हूं? जस्ट सी माय कमांड इज दिस वन, rec2 means second position, it is the 0th position, it is the first position, and it is the second position, right? मुझे किस में करना था? I want to make change in the percentage of the student, तो मैंने क्या लिखा? rec2. If I want to make changes in the name of the student, तो मैं क्या लिखा? rec1, right? Because the first position contains the name of the student here. Clear? Now just see rec2 equal to rec2 plus 3. It is the modification command. Plus 3 means what? Computer just remove the previous data, and here computer write plus 3 means now the new value over here is 90.9 plus 3. It is the new percentage of the student, and the modification is there in the record variable, in the list variable. It is not there inside the file variable. Right? Now the modification is done by us already. By this command we done this modification. Now we have to write the record at the same position where the record is available inside your file. Clear? We have to write this record, write this modified record back to the file. So just see, we have to insert the record in the file in the same position. अब बात यही आ गई. Right now the cursor is available over here. Means your very first task is you have to shift the cursor from the last position of the object, last position of the record to the previous position. Very first work, you have to move the cursor back, right? When your cursor is here, if you shifted the cursor over here, then only you can write the record at the same position. So by which command we move the cursor from the last to the beginning? Just see the command. This is the command for that, and it is compulsory command, student. I am telling you, for modification, for updation, you have to shift the file pointer back at the same position where the specific record is beginning. Clear? So here, what is the command? pp.c -1. Right? हमें पता है the cursor, the current position of the cursor, it is 1. 1 means current position. If 0 is there, it means beginning of the file. If 2 is there, it means end of the file. Right? A previous video lecture, complete video lecture is related with this particular concept. Just watch the previous video. Clear? So I want to shift the cursor from the current position, so that I am using 1 over here, current position to the back or the previous position. अब कितना स्टेप बैक करना है मुझे? उतना स्टेप जितना इस ऑब्जेक्ट का साइज है. Right? So very first you just get the size in bytes of the object, right? And then just back the cursor on that specific bytes. कितने बाइट आपको कर्सर को बैक करना है? For that -1. Minus means back. If I use +1, it means forward. Right? तो अभी मुझे क्या करना है? I want to shift the cursor at the back. So here -1 into. Now how to get the size of the list object in bytes? For that, one function is available, get size of. It is a library function in system module of Python, right? So we have to import the system module first, import sys, right? And then here our command sys dot get size of bracket rec. तो कंप्यूटर क्या करेगा? कंप्यूटर इज गोइंग टू नो, कंप्यूटर इज गोइंग टू कैलकुलेट व्हाट इज द साइज ऑफ दिस रिकॉर्ड इन बाइट्स, एंड देन उतना बाइट कर्सर आपका बैक आ जाएगा. मींस इस प्रीवियस पोजीशन पे आ जाएगा सीधा. राइट? सो दैट दिस इज द कमांड. इस कमांड से हुआ क्या? कर्सर बैक आ गया एट द सेम पोजीशन ऑफ द रिकॉर्ड एट द बिगिनिंग. नाउ हियर when you supply the record writing command, when you supply the dump command, pickle.dump rec comma pp, it means what? The updated record. Here just see the percentage, it is the updated record. The updated record is loaded over this particular record, right? Just see. Now the file is modified, the record is updated inside the file, right? And after that process, just close the file so that the effect, the changes are permanent inside the hard disk. Right? So this is the process. क्या निकल के आया? Very first, you have to open the file in RB+ mode. Second, just read the file object, and if you want to make any change in the selected object, you have to revert back the cursor at the previous position. For that, system module is required. Many methods are there to send back the cursor. Here in this second program, another method is there. आप इसको भी देख सकते हो कि कौन सा इजी लगता है. So for reverting back the cursor at the previous position, we use the C command with that specific function. Right? Once the cursor is back, then you have to write the specific record. चलो अभी बात ये, अगर ये कमांड नहीं भी होती तो क्या होता? If I remove this command and I am going to write the record in the file, क्या होगा? The cursor is here at the beginning of the second record. कंप्यूटर क्या करता है? इस second record के ऊपर आपका first record update हो जाता, modify हो जाता. Means पहला record तो वही है 87.9% के साथ. On the second record is removed from the file, and here this record is available at the second position also with the updated value. Right? So here to send the cursor back, it is important in this modification concept. Now just see here in this part of the board, यहाँ पे मैंने concept लिया. Suppose a file is there inside the hard disk and the file contains in your word 100 records of the students. Right? The file is saved abc.dat with the same records. Now our concept is the students who are having roll number in between 40 to 50. ऐसे स्टूडेंट जिनका रोल नंबर 40 से 50 के बीच है, both the values are included 40, 41 to 48, 49, 50, राइट? उन सब स्टूडेंट्स की परसेंटेज में +3 करना है. It is our object of this particular question, right? Just तो अपना को काम क्या करना है? Very first you have to open the file in RB plus mode. Second you have to search the specific record, that the record is there in the file or not. Once the record is available in the file, you have to select the record, make the modification, and then write the updated record at the map position at the same position of the file. Clear? For that, just see what is the program here. Here, import pickle. Right? Second one, open rbc.dat, abc.dat, rb plus mode, no issue. RB plus mode is required for modification. Then here, count equal to 0, it is a variable so that we can judge how many records we have updated by this program. And then r is equal to this empty list variable. Now, while loop, while true, it is an infinite loop. So we have to break the loop by using break keyword. Clear? So लूप क्यों लगाया? पूरी फाइल रीड करनी. यहाँ क्यों नहीं लगाया था? We worked on the single object only, right? So here, if you want to read the whole file, if you want to read the whole records that are there in the file, you have to use while function. You have to use while loop, right? While true and then try. अब यहाँ पे दूसरी टेक्निक है. देखो, try में मैंने क्या किया? POS equal to pp.tell. Here I have created one POS variable. ये POS variable में क्या स्टोर होगा? आपके कर्सर की पोजीशन. Clear? So just say POS variable is created inside the RAM like this one, POS. और मुझे क्या बता रहा है? When I am going to read the first record, this is my first record with the roll number 21. तो क्या होगा? In the while very first POS equal to pp.tell. Right now the cursor is at the 0th position. तो POS में आ जाएगा 0. Done? अभी देखना क्या होगा. Now rec equal to pickle.load pp means computer is going to load the very first record. This is the record inside the rec variable, and then the cursor is at the last of the record, or we can say at the beginning of the second record. Right? The record is loaded. Now just see, if rec 0 means what? 0 means roll number. rec 0 greater than equal to 40 and rec 0 less than equal to 50 is our specific condition. We want to make changes in those records only where roll number is available in between 40 to 50, so that I use this condition here. Right? So if rec 0 greater than equal to 40 and rec 0 less than equal to 50 means those selected records are inserted in this if. अभी देखो, right now the record is this one. ये if के अंदर जाएगा क्या? No, condition is false here. तो if में गया ही नहीं है रिकॉर्ड. चलो कंप्यूटर ने छोड़ दिया, भाई लोग दोबारा चला. सपोज करते हैं each and every record is having 50 bytes साइज. हर रिकॉर्ड की साइज 50 बाइट है, राइट? तो पहले तो 0 स्टोर हो गया. नाउ जैसे ही अब आपका रिकॉर्ड पढ़ा, राइट नाउ द कंप्यूटर इज एट द 50th पोजीशन. 50 साइज का रिकॉर्ड था, उसने पढ़ा. राइट नाउ द कंप्यूटर इज एट द 50th पोजीशन. क्लियर? नाउ अगेन द सेकंड टाइम दिस लूप विल एग्जीक्यूट. अगेन क्या हो रहा है? पोजीशन इक्वल टू pp.tell. मतलब अभी राइट नाउ द कर्सर पोजीशन इज 50. सो हियर कंप्यूटर इज गोइंग टू राइट 50 इन दिस पोजीशन वेरिएबल. Right? It is the beginning position. Beginning. It is the file cursor position at the beginning of the second record. अब क्या होगा? कंप्यूटर इस पूरे रिकॉर्ड को पढ़ेगा तो कर्सर चला 51, 52, 53. क्या साइज है इसकी? 50 बाइट. तो कर्सर पूरा पढ़ लेगा. Now the cursor is here at the 100th position. 50 पढ़ लो. Clear? Now new record is uploaded inside this. तो अभी REC में क्या आ गया? Just see. The record REC, it contains, now the roll number is 42, name is Ravi, and then the percentage is 92.6. it is available in the REC. पहला रिकॉर्ड था, वो रिकॉर्ड की जो वैल्यूज थी अपडेट हो गई, डिलीट हुई, नई वैल्यू REC में आ गई. Now here if is true, just check this one, REC 0 greater than equal to 40 and here the roll number is 42. Now you are inside the if loop. अब यहाँ क्या कर रहे हैं, REC 2 equal to REC 2 plus 3 means REC to this one plus 3 means in this REC computer is going to increase the percentage and now the updated percentage is 95.6. It is modified. The list variable is modified. Your file is not modified right now. File में तो अभी भी वही है 92.6. This variable is modified. Now your role is just see counting कर लो. Count plus 1 means the first record. Count पे वैल्यू आ जाएगी 1. Right now the value of count is 0. अभी हो गया 1. मैं इसमें डाल देता हूँ 1. Count variable is also created inside the memory and 0 2. Now the new value is 1. Now just see pp.seek position. Position variable. What is there in the position variable? 50. What is the current cursor position? It is 100. Right? Record read होने से पहले की position BIOS के अंदर available है. Now, if you want to make change in the same record, तो आपको क्या करना है, इस position पे back आना है 50. So I have stored this 50 inside the position variable. Right now the cursor is at the 100th position. तो अब आपका क्या हुआ, pp.seek position, ये कमांड क्या बनी, pp.seek 50. 50 means what? Computer's cursor, the file pointer, it jumps from here, reaches towards the 50, and here the 50 is the beginning position of the second record. Right? Now just see here pickle.dump rec.pp. अब क्या होगा? Cursor is available over here. Your record is this one. Computer is going to overwrite the record. The previous record is removed, and on the previous record, computer overwrite the new value. Now it is modification, right? So by this we can modify all the records that are in between 40 to 50 roll number. Clear? Now the same except EOF error. Once your computer read the whole file, automatically EOF error will be generated, and this error will be handled by except command. यहाँ पे क्या लिखा देखो, if count equal to 0. Count 0 कब रहेगा? When your computer is not run this if block, तभी तो 0 होगा. 0 if block में तो count की वैल्यू प्लस हो रही है, एक भी रिकॉर्ड नहीं मिला, it means what? Count equal to 0. So if count equal to 0, print record not found. Else means something is there in the count variable other than 0. ये कब आएगा? जब ये if के अंदर कंप्यूटर जाएगा तो ही तो काउंटिंग की वैल्यू चेंज होगी. तो आपके else में लिख दिया print total record updated and then you have to show the count value. Right? कितने रिकॉर्ड अपडेट हुए फाइल में, कंप्यूटर will show the message. Done. And then pp.close and then break. Break क्यों लगाना पड़ेगा? Because here while true it is infinite loop. You have to stop the loop by using a break command. By using the Python break command. So break is available here in this except block. Done. So this is the program by which we can modify the records that are there inside the file. I hope you understand the concept. Now only one concept is left in this binary file operation, that is how to delete records from the file. Right? Thank you very much.